Change. Shake. Shake, 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 shake. Tap. Next. Stretch. 1, 3, 4, 5.
Kerting juga dari sisi Maura, siyang hasa hapo silang, and qualification juga kada ka PCCI as a coach, and kung ang I could play MCA but NCDC but I kat kalat ban namantan ka Inter-Zonal women one day, senior women one day, and ngasa Jied na manta jong ka Inter-Zonal team, and napo Meghalaya, but we don't do Kriket state bawan but siya patah about Inter-Zonal, senior women team one day, and ngaso sarang ba kasukaman ba kita pilih Laingut kena basa Jied napo Meghalaya team banwan siya patah ni, and kunjuru we don't kunjuru captain do kadi napo Meghalaya cricket team ni teng kublay ro ya kadi ka BCCI ba ay kat kani ka platform mo ikana ka page ni, and kunjuru kidon kiba naki Indian player bawan Ïalehkai banwan kisipta ha kadi ka Inter-Zonal te katahi ba nang ni shikman ba kidon kikana ro banwan shushu napo Meghalaya team.
Kay Miguel Wardri na po marang kunjong ibarit ikuto pati doyarlen Wardri te masyong nga sa po marang but ni kong ngamlak na ingo ublay ya ba latar ning ka lang kumjo yang nga hado kani ka klimat ka ba menta hoot kumjo ka lang ka ba kasin ka maning kong yang nga bangan Shah Jied kom ka Inter-Zonal senior women's Inter-Zonal kabalang hani po Bangalore te ngalayo sibon ki experience but kumjuro nga so kuman ba Ïalehkai lang bat ki kiton hi khindet ba ki kom ki players Indian te krishibun tang ni kintian.
Hello everyone, I'm Debasmita Datta, captain of the Northeast Zonal team. I'm from Meghalaya and I'm really grateful to MCA for providing me this wonderful opportunity, and I hope I'll do my best performance throughout this tournament. Thank you so much.
My name is Jied. Right now I'm in Bangalore for Inter-Zonal one-day matches. I got selected for this tournament. I'm very lucky, and thank you MCA Meghalaya Cricket Association for supporting me and my team, and because of they gave me the opportunity to represent the Inter-Zonal one day. So I thank you and wish us all the best. Thank you so much.